Hello everybody, today I have another HVAC related video for all of you. This particular video is going to be a startup of my brand new 2022 Goodman gas powered furnace. So let's go ahead and get this thing turned on. So the draft inducer motor just turned on. In a moment, we'll see the hot surface igniter glow. There it is. There are 4 burners in this furnace. Very quiet. In a moment, we'll hear the blower fan turn on. Sorry about that. So there's the inside of the furnace. See all the 4 burners right there. And the blower motor, I believe, just turned on. Yep, blower motor just turned on, and now it's pumping heat throughout the house. So there you go. This is what a startup looks like on this 2022 Goodman gas-powered furnace. If you enjoyed this video, then please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you all very much for watching.